Welcome to Nashville Boating Center, your premier destination for all things boating in the heart of Middle Tennessee. Take a moment to explore our state-of-the-art facilities and discover the epitome of boating excellence. Nestled right here in the scenic beauty of Middle Tennessee, our expansive property boasts a sprawling 19,000 square foot service facility where your boating dreams can become realities. Our service facility is also equipped with cutting-edge technology and manned by our team of highly skilled and certified technicians. No matter the size or complexity of the job, we're ready to get you back on the water with confidence. Accidents happen, but you don't have to worry. Our on-site fiberglass repair team is here to fix any hull damage, ensuring your boat's structural integrity remains intact. Our certified technicians are passionate about boats, and their expertise is unmatched. Trust us to handle your boat with care, precision, and the utmost professionalism. At Nashville Boating Center, we take pride in providing the Middle Tennessee area with the finest boating services. Our commitment to excellence sets us apart as the top choice for boating enthusiasts like you. Experience the ultimate boating journey with Nashville Boating Center. Visit us today and discover the unparalleled service we offer. Your adventure awaits.